Are you struggling to find a move-in-ready home? But there's a solution: renovation loans. Imagine unlocking the door to a fixer-upper, transforming it into your home with just one mortgage. Renovation loans are booming in 2026, especially in Kitsap County. They allow you to see potential where others see problems. First, they expand your options. You can buy older homes and customize them to your liking. Second, renovation loans mean faster equity building as you upgrade your property. Finally, with fewer buyers competing for fixer-uppers, you gain stronger negotiating power. Renovation loans combine your home purchase and renovation costs into one mortgage, appraising your home's future value after upgrades. With government-backed options like FHA or Fannie Mae HomeStyle, there's a loan for every project. Kitsap County is a prime location for these loans. Homes in Port Orchard, Bremerton, and Silverdale are ideal for renovation. Take control of the housing market with a renovation loan. Contact Clint Edwards now and start your journey to a customized home today.